Our friends at Sinocare send us this arm blood pressure monitor. It comes with everything you need for you to have a nice monitor in your house so that you can monitor your blood pressure. Blood pressure is very important because the management of blood pressure determines your health. And this comes with everything. So let me take this off so that you see how beautifully made this is. And it comes with the batteries. The batteries are included, so it's basically you open this compartment right here, right? You open this compartment right here with the batteries. Then you connect this hose to the side. That's the next step. And voila, you're ready to measure your pressure. Now, you want to sit down comfortably and preferably without, that's why I'm not wearing a sweater like I usually do. And then there's a diagram here that explains to you how to do it, right? You see, it explains to you how to do it, and it's telling you that the shoulder should be in that direction. So that means that you put it like that, and you put your arm through it, and it has to be at the height of your heart. So your heart is on the left side right here. That's why you go, I pledge allegiance to the flag. You put your hand over your heart. The heart is on the left side. So you want to do the pressure close to your heart, right? And you put it right there with the Velcro, nice and snug. Then you get comfortable, right? Don't cross your legs. Don't do this after you run, right? And then it's very, very simple. You press that start button right there, and you wait. So you're gonna hear, maybe you hear it, that the cuff is gonna start inflating, right? And you're gonna feel a tug on your arm. Don't get scared because it knows when to stop, right? And then it gets to a point where it starts deflating. So now the cuff is deflating and going down. It'll tell you your pulse at the end and your diastolic and systolic pressure. Then with that number you can consult. I mean, I don't recommend consulting with Google because you'll get scared, but I recommend that you consult that number with your doctor if the number seems high. There's different ways to lower your pressure, but that's beyond the scope of this video. But monitoring blood pressure is very important in general. So thank you to the guys at Sinocare for sending this machine. It's going to be put to well use, and we're going to monitor my health with it. Nothing more important than that.